Potapova station, very new Moscow. Everything is here very big spaces, big I guess these buildings were constructed in the beginning. They're quite close to the subway, and other buildings are far from the subway. And these buildings are very expensive because they're like 20 meters from the subway. And the subway is with heating, which is very rare. So in winter it will be also warm, like in the underground. But this is not underground, this is on the surface. So we wait for the bus. Airport is closed.